Alfred takes 9 hours to install a sink. It takes 18 hours for Roy to do the same job. If Alfred and Roy work together, how long would it take to finish the job? Letter A, 8 hours. Letter B, 6 hours. Letter C, 10 hours. Letter D, 15 hours. So hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video. By the way, this is Janice De Hersey. So, here's another numerical reasoning problem na maaaring makatulong po sa inyo pag-review for the civil service exam. So, this is another work problem in numerical reasoning. So, Alfred takes 9 hours to install a sink. So, have A for Alfred. It takes 9 hours for him to install a sink. So, bali yung ratio ni Alfred is 1 over 9. Saan nanggaling yung 1? Yung 1 represent Alfred. Dahil mag-isa lang siya, kaya niyang tapusin in 9 hours. So, 1 over 9 yung kanyang ratio. So, it takes 18 hours for Roy to do the same job. So, si Roy is 1 over 18 dahil kung mag-isa lang si Roy, kaya niyang tapusin ng 18 hours yung pag-install ng sink. So, if Alfred and Roy work together, so kung silang dalawa daw po ay sasama, how long would it take to finish the job? So, gaano daw po katagal matapos yung trabaho? So, take note po, kung si Alfred lang mag-isa, kaya niya tapusin yung trabaho in 9 hours. 9 hours. So, kung tutulungan siya ni Troy, ibig sabihin, maliles yung number of hours. Dahil dalawa na sila. So, sa choices, makikita mo na yung mas mababa sa 9 hours ay 8 and 6. So, delete mo na kaagad yung 10, yung C and D. So, A and B lang yung pagpipilian mo. So, ngayon, let's continue to solve the problem. If Alfred and Roy work together, how long would it take to finish the job? So, anong gagawin natin dito? So, gagawa tayo ng ratio and proportion. 1 over 9 plus. So, bali si Alfred at si Roy, i-add mo silang dalawa. Plus 1 over 18 equals 1 over x. So, yung x natin, that will serve as our variable na magre-represent kung gaano katagal nilang matapos yung trabaho kung silang dalawa ay magsama. So, x should be in hours. So, meron tayong fraction. So, I hope na na-review nyo na po yung lahat ng basic operations sa fraction at kung ano-ano pa yung mga basic like percentage, yung mga ganun, para hindi po kayo mahirapan sa pag-solve ng problem. So, syempre, least common denominator natin ay 18. 18 divided by 9. So, i-divide mo sa numerator tapos i-multiply mo sa denominator. 18 divided by 9, 2. 2 times 1, 2. Plus, so 18 divided by 18, 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Equals 1 over x. So, 2 plus 1, so that is 3 over 18. Copy mo lang yung denominator. Tapos, 1 over x. So, ngayon, paano mo isa-solve ang ganito? So, i-cross multiply po natin. 18 times 1, 3 times x. So, yung result ay, dito na po tayo. 3 times x equals 3x. So, dito na po tayo. Equals 18 times 1 is 18. Ayan. So, i-divide mo by 3. I-divide mo rin to by 3. So, x is equals to 18 divided by 3 is 6 hours. The correct answer is letter B, 6 hours. So, pwede din na dito pa lang sa 3 over 18 wait, i-delete natin yung ating para meron tayong space. So, pwede rin na dito pa lang sa 3 divided by 18, i-simplify mo na 1, that is 1 over 6, di ba? Divide mo by 3, yung 3, divide mo by 3, yung 18, so 1 over 6, tapos equals, para, ayan, so, cross multiply, so the same answer. So, 1 times x is x, 1 times 6 equals 6. So, the correct answer is 6 hours. So, I hope na meron po kayong natutunan sa ating video na to. And please don't forget to click our subscribe button and click the notification bell para lagi pong updated sa ating mga bagong videos. And also, we have a Facebook page. I-upload din po natin to sa ating Facebook page na Civil Service Exam Review by Janice Darcy. Thank you for watching.